Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome back. Today, I want to show you how to make um, boxes for your planner. These planners will be sized for the Happy Planner, but you can make the boxes the same way if you use the Erin Condren. You just need the measurements for the boxes. Let me show you real quick. So we'll be making these. I won't be making 4 sheets, but I'll be showing you how to put each one together on a sheet. And these are the 1.5 by zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.5 by 1.5. And these are 1.5. 1.5 is the width of the Happy Planner boxes. So it's 1.5 by 1 inch and then 1.5 by 2.5, and these are 1.5 by 7.5. So I'm going to show you how to make these in Canva. I have a Cricut cutting machine, so I use Cricut to cut my boxes, but since these are just squares, you can cut these by hand if you don't have a cutting machine. So there's really easy ways to get these boxes. Right. I'm not familiar with Silhouette, but I will be saving this as a PNG. And I know you can upload PNGs to Silhouette, but I can't tell you how to do that because I don't know. All right. So in Canva, and I do have Canva Pro. Wanted to just let you all know that. So in Canva, I go to Create a Design and Custom Size. You always want to change this to inches if you're working in inches. If not, you'll get some weird numbers. But you change it to inches here, and then you type in whatever width and height. You can do 8.5 by 11 if you want to, if you're hand cutting or if you have a Silhouette machine. I know you can do 8.5 by 11, but I'm going to do here my 6.75 by 9.25, which is the size I use in Cricut Design Space. All right. So here, so I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. So you're gonna come to Elements, and under Shapes, you just grab a square, right? And what you do, you just use these handles to size your boxes. So I'm gonna start with the side handle, and you see that it gives you the size, and as I move it, it's decreasing, so that's 1.5. And then I'm just gonna move this one up until I get to 0.5, right? So that's your first box. So now let's make it look more like a box. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit this border style button and just going to choose this solid line. And I'm just going to take this up to 7. Right? And you can use this if you want to move it back and forth, but I'm typing in 7. Right? And now I have a border, and I also want to change the inside to white. So I'm going to hit color here and change it to white. All right, so that's your first box, 1.5 by um, zero point 0.5. Now you can hit this plus sign to duplicate the box. You can do that so we can get our next size. So it's already 1.5 in width, so I'm just going to take it down to 1 inch. And you got your next box, right? Just going to click on the box and hit the plus sign again, drag it over. Right? It's already 1.5 again in width. I'm just gonna grab this, take this down to 2.5. Right? Hit the plus sign. Don't have to change the width. And just take this down to 7.5. All right. Now you got your size boxes, right? So you just want to make copies of them. Now, you can put all these on separate pages. I'm not going to do that, but you just click on your box, hit the plus sign, drag this down. And once you do that, every time you hit the plus sign, it should even everything. Everything should come out even, right? So I hit the plus sign, and I don't have to do any more adjusting. Well, I'll have to do a little bit of adjusting because I didn't completely adjust the box like I was supposed to. But if that happens, easy fix. I didn't line these boxes up like I was supposed to. So you just click and drag to select all of the boxes. You hit these three dots here, or you can hit the three dots here. And I just go down the space evenly, and I hit tidy up. And it spaced the boxes evenly, and they're now lined up. Right? Same thing for this one. Let me see if I can do this one right this time. You hit your plus sign. Have this lined up. There we go. Sometimes if you move your mouse, it won't do it. So you have to make sure that everything is still selected when you do it. But again, you can click and drag, hit the three dots, space evenly, and tidy up. Right? This one, line it up. That one goes in place. Right? So that's how you can make your boxes for your planner. Um, Now I'll show you one page. So let's say I just wanted to put all of these on one page separate, everything separately, right? Like I did with the example I showed you. Just click and drag. I'm going to group them. I'm going to hit the plus sign, and I'm just going to drag them down. Right? And then just make a full page of them. I'm just spacing these out. There we go. All right, and then you have a full page of that size box. So once you get this all set up, let's say you want to make different colored boxes, right? I always go for black because I love black. But let's say you want a different color box. Just click on one of your boxes. Click this border color here. Let's say you want a purple, right? So you see I click purple and you see it says change all. You hit change all. It changes everything to purple. You don't even have to redo the boxes. It just automatically changes the color for you. All right, so that is how you make your own boxes in Canva to fit in your planner. Um, I can show you how they look in Cricut Design Space really quick. So what I'll do is I'll hit share and download. Um, I download as a PNG. I have Canva Pro so I can do a transparent background, but I'm not going to do a transparent background. I'm just going to show you all how to remove the background if you don't have Canva Pro. So I'm just going to download it as a PNG. I'm only going to do one page. And then I'm going to upload this to Cricut Design Space and show you how to remove the background. All right, so in Cricut Design Space, I'm going to hit New Project. And it's going to take me to a canvas, right? And then over here, on the side, I'm going to hit upload. And you can drag and drop your images, or you can hit upload image. Well, you hit upload image first. And you can drag and drop, or you can browse to find your image. So I'm going to hit browse and find my image. It's in my downloads. Right. I'm going to hit complex, continue. And here in this background remover, this is where you will remove the background to make it the background transparent, so Cricut will only cut around your boxes. So make sure you're not clicking any of your boxes. Make sure you're clicking in this free space. Let me make these bigger. Make sure you're clicking outside of your boxes, all right? So in this free space here. So I'm just going to click there. And you see how it removed the background for me? Let me make it smaller. See, it removed the background and made the background transparent, so Cricut will only cut around my boxes now. So that's how you can do this if you don't have Canva Pro. You just have the regular Canva. And you can't. In Canva Pro, you can hit transparent background, but in the regular Canva, you cannot. Right? So that's how you remove your background. You hit apply and continue. This is a print and cut. Upload. Click on your image. Add to canvas. And you're going to have to change the size because when you put it in here, for some reason, the size goes out of whack. So I'm just going to hit this little lock here and do 6.75 by 9.25. And then I can make my boxes. It'll print it out and then the Cricut will cut around my boxes. All right, so that is, again, how you make boxes in Canva for your planner. I showed you how to change the color, showed you how to download it, and then make it a transparent background in Cricut Design Space if you don't have Canva Pro. But there's so many things that you can do, so many options you can do in Canva now, and I love it. I love making my stickers in Canva and cutting them out with my Cricut. So if you have any questions, I will answer them to the best of my ability. I'm not an expert. I just know what I know. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one.